Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. I am here with a new video, which is about the new model Cloud Fable 5. Cloud Fable 5 is free for you for now. You know very well. It's recently launched. Just search to the Cloud AI, and then here is the Anthropic, and Claude Fable will be available again globally tomorrow, and it's the July 1 update. If we click on the Anthropic, and then you can see here Claude Fable is back, and how we can use free for our projects. Then we just go to the tasklet.ai. Is a platform provides you the all the major models free, but it's not totally free. Will give you the 300 credits per day. You can log in with Google, and then here is the intro of this platform, and you can see here is the basic, advanced, expert, and then genius level, and then you can click on the advanced. Show you the Claude, Haku, and Sonnet 5, Opus 4.6, 4.8, 4.8, and then fast, and last one is the Claude Fable 5. You can just select the Claude Fable 5, and then prompt here hi. Yes, it will give you the result. You can perform your task accordingly by using the Claude Fable 5, and then click here. The 295 tokens or credits are free of this day, and you will get 300 credits every 12 a.m. And if we can click on the view usage detail, yes, these details are here. I'm currently using this platform for some purpose, so please use this one, and it's very expensive if you can search on Cloud Fable 5 API, but we can use freely. Here is the platform. If I can see the another platform to use freely this model, then I will tell you later. And stay with us, share, subscribe, and like my video, and I will come back with you to you with a new exciting video. Bye bye.